I'm going to show you if you have only two cards. If you have only two cards, you just put at the most of the bottom of the wallet. Okay, come out. What if you put in the front? Something like this. So there is a difference with these two cards in the wallet. Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to put the knots into this wallet. It is recommended the bigger knot put at the front because it's for easy usage. Okay, let's say if you want to find the knots, you can just like this, find the smaller one, take it out. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you a technique to take the knots. Let's say the knot is inside the wallet. Like let's say right now I'm going to take $5 notes in here. Remember, I have to drag out, not to the right. Okay, right now I'm going to teach you how to put the coin inside this wallet. Let's say I have the coin in here. There's the hole, the pouch. Let's put it in. There you go. Then let's say if you want to take it out, just hold like this. Okay. Take it out.